proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'll be explaining how to back up or dump a Spreadtrum Android phone's firmware using Infinity CM2 dongle. Now, in order to use this dongle, you need to have the hardware. In order to use this software, that's the CM2 software, you need to have the hardware dongle. So I have that over here, and you need to connect it to your PC and set it up. Now, we already have a guide at the forum on how to set up your Infinity CM2 dongle. So just check out our forum, check out the guide, follow the guide, set up your dongle, and then come back to this guide. Now, once you set up your dongle and it's activated, what you need to do is just connect it to your PC via via the USB port. So I'm going to do that right now. So you can see it's blinking some kind of red and green light. That shows that it's connected. So next thing you want to do is to download Infinity Box CM2 SPD, since this is the software I'm going to be using to back up the Spreadtrum Android phone. And once you download the software, you can check out the Infinity Box website for this software, and also the link in the description for the download link. And once you downloaded the CM2 SPD software, what you need to do is to extract, because we are going to be installing. If you don't have 7-zip, make sure you go to 7zip.org and download 7-zip. Now, once extracted, you are going to double click this exe file and then just follow the installation process. You get a prompt, just click yes and then follow the installation process. I accept, next. So just wait while the Infinity Box CM2 SPD software is installed on your PC. Then we'll move on to the next stage. And also, you should also have your Spreadtrum Android phone and the USB cord. You power off the phone, make sure it's well charged, power it off, and just keep it on standby. Alright, so completed. I can close. Now you would notice, I can minimize it. You notice this shortcut here, Infinity Box CM2 SPD. I can launch it from there, or you just go to your installation directory. In my case, is my C drive Infinity Box. Let me just go back a little. This case is my C drive Infinity Box here, then my CM2 SPD. Then you can launch from here, okay, or you can launch from desktop. So I'll just launch on desktop with the module connected. Don't forget the dongle has to be connected before you start all of this. Just going to launch it from there. So it takes a while for this to come up, so you just have to be patient. Now, while it is coming up, I should also mention that you need to have installed your Spreadtrum drivers. We have a guide on how to install Spreadtrum drivers on a PC, on a Windows PC. So just make sure you check out the guide. There's a video also. Check out the video, check out the guide. Install Spreadtrum drivers on your PC before you continue with this. If not, the software won't be able to detect your Spreadtrum Android phone. Okay, that's what drivers are for. So this is taking quite a while to come up, as I told you, so I just have to wait for it to come up. Alright, so it's finally up after quite a while. Now, under the settings tab, this is the CM2 SPD dashboard that you can see here. Now, under the settings tab, you need to select your chipset or your phone CPU. Yes, your phone is a Spreadtrum Android phone, but you also have to select the specific chip. We already have a guide at the forum on how to find out your phone's chipset and Android version. You can use an APK. Just check out our forum on how to find out an Android phone's chipset and Android version. Follow that guide. You find out your phone's chipset and Android version. Then you can come here to select the chip. Now, for this one, I'll be using is an SC773X phone running on Marshmallow. So this is what I'm going to select right here under CPU. Now I'll head on to the flash tab by clicking flash, I seem to be getting the not responding error, or maybe because I'm running a lot of things on my PC at the moment, or maybe I have a background task running somewhere. Anyways, I'm getting this error, so you just have to be patient for this to clear up. And after that, you should be presented with the backup options. Okay, so now I'm in the flash tab. Now what you want to do is just leave these two checked as they are, nothing to change here, and then you want to click on read firmware pack. The way this particular software backs up your Spreadtrum phone is different, so take note. Now at this point, what you want to do is to connect the USB cord, but don't connect the phone yet. Connect the USB cord to the PC. Now while the phone is powered off with the battery inside, you hold the volume down button, then you connect the USB cord to the phone and keep holding the volume down button. Sorry. So let me take that again. Once you click the read firmware, you connect the USB cord to the PC, but don't connect to the phone yet. Now while the phone is powered off, and the battery inside, you hold the volume down button, then you connect the USB cord to the phone and keep holding the volume down button. Now you might experience some frequent disconnection in this tool. When we come to that, I think I'll just walk you through that part. Now in this pop-up, you are going to select the location where you want to save your Spreadtrum backup to, and then you click save. I already have a folder called SPD dump, so I'll just select save. So this way I want to save my phone's CM2 SPD backup to. So you just navigate to the location and you select save, and you just keep waiting. I still have my finger on the volume down button because that's the boot key for Spreadtrum. Now this is the pop-up I was telling you about, waiting for your device to reconnect. The device got disconnected in the process, so I just keep holding my volume down button and I tap OK. You might get this up to like maybe 3 or 4 times. I got it quite a number of times during the first couple of trials I did. I don't know why this seems to be popping up. So you just have to keep holding your volume down button. You might get the same pop-up again. Anyways, you would know when to. Okay, I got a range error there, so I'm going to have to repeat the process. So let me just close this, then let me relaunch. I'm going to relaunch this. It's going to take a while, of course, to come up, so I will just get everything set, and once I'm back to where I stopped, I think I'll just resume from there. Alright, so I'm back to this screen. I'm going to give it another shot. I select my chipset, I tap flash, and then make sure my phone is powered off with the battery inside well charged, and I won't connect the USB to the phone yet, but my cord is connected to the PC right now. So here I'll click on read firmware pack, and then at this point, when I see wait for phone, I'll just hold the volume down button, then connect the cord to the phone and keep holding. Okay, so I have detection. This from the video software I'm using. It's not part of the process at all. So next you get a pop-up asking you to select where you want to save the dump to. I click on save, and I'm just going to stand by for detection. So what is supposed to happen is that it's supposed to eventually detect my phone details, version. I click OK here, still holding my volume down button. Supposed to tell my phone version, model, build number, and the rest. Then start backing up the files, start extracting from the phone rather. So that's what I'm waiting for. But of course you might get that disconnection or reconnect error a number of times. I think I've gotten up to like 3 or 4 times or thereabout in the same session. Okay, seem to be getting another error. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to boot up the phone. Of course, I'm going to make this a part of the video just in case you actually encounter this while backing up. So I think I'll just have to start all over. It can be quite frustrating. Alright, so my phone is still in good condition. What I'm going to do right now is to power it off and get ready for yet another session. Okay, so I'm back up again. Going to give it another try. Heading to the flash tab right now. Sometimes what you just need to do is to disconnect your dongle, restart your PC, then retry the process. Okay, so I'm going to untick the manual name define option and I'll click on read firmware again. Sometimes I get some disconnection when I select the first option, so I'm going to hold volume down again and try. Although I've been able to back up with both options checked, but I'm just going to try to reduce what's happening here. Still with my volume down button. So what I'm waiting for is actually detection of my phone's details, and then the backup proper should begin. Okay, waiting for the prompt. Select save. And just keep standing by. Tap OK. So I'm getting not responding thing, but I get that a lot, especially when I'm running some heavy stuff. So I just have to sit tight and watch out in display this time around. Okay, I told you I've gotten this thing like multiple times. I think I've gotten up to 4 times in one particular session. So you just have to keep your finger on the volume down button it's a disconnection issue, probably because of my not responding error. So you just have to be patient and wait till when the phone's details get detected. Then you see the phone model. Okay, right, this is what I've been waiting for. The phone model, everything. And yeah, we have backup in progress. So I had to actually, struggle with that for a while. So at this point, I can release my volume down button and gently place the phone on the table. But if your cord is loose, maybe your phone to USB port is loose or cord to PC port is loose, you have to just try to hold things in place till when you have complete backup. So I think I'll just hold on to the phone and let the backup continue. So this is going to take a while because right now it's backing up the system partition, and that often takes a while. So instead of just sitting making the video play on and on, I'm going to pause and get back to you when you're just about to finish, because I want to show you a couple of things just when it completes. Okay, so let me just pause and I'll get back to you when it's around 90 something %. Alright, so we're almost done at 99% for a heavy partition system.img. Alright, so that we should be done any moment from now. The rest doesn't take so long. Alright, so that is done. Backup is done. What you have here is the path, that is where the backup was saved to. Let me highlight a couple of things here. What you have is the location of your backup here, so just check this particular location. Mine is located in the Hovertech folder, SPD dump, so I'll just head over there. Okay, yeah, this is it. This is right there. Yes, I have it here. Okay, so I want to stress something very important here. Now, this format, the way CM2 backed it up, is customized to CM2 SPD. So when you want to flash it back, you need to flash back using CM2 SPD. This is not a regular pack file which you flash using research download or upgrade download tool. Okay, so when flashing back, you have to flash this back using CM2 SPD software because of the way it was done. So that is how to back up or dump a Spreadtrum Android phone's firmware using Chinese Miracle 2 or CM2 SPD software.